Hello everyone, welcome to the Cyber Guardian channel. In this video, we'll walk you through how to install and configure the Splunk Universal Forwarder on an Ubuntu machine to send logs to your Splunk Indexer. Splunk Universal Forwarder is a lightweight agent that collects and forwards logs from your Linux machine securely to your Splunk Indexer. And now, let's get started. First, open the browser, go to the Splunk Downloads page, and after, open your terminal and run uname-m to identify your system's architecture. If it shows ARC64, download the ARM package. If it shows x64, download the x64 package. Then go back to the Splunk Downloads page and download the matching .deb file for your system. Use wget to download the package and install it with dpkg. Start Splunk Universal Forwarder and enable it to start on boot. Now, let's connect the forwarder to your Splunk Indexer. This is the destination where logs will be sent. Replace Indexer IP with the actual IP address of your Splunk Indexer and 9998 with the port you've configured to receive forwarded data. This command tells the Universal Forwarder where to forward the logs it collects. With the forwarder connected, it's time to tell it what logs to collect. These next commands add common system log files to the list of monitored sources such as syslog, auth.log, and history logs. You can also include logs related to system boots, scheduled tasks, and package updates. Go ahead and run these commands in your terminal to begin monitoring these log files. Let's check if everything is working. This command shows the current status of your forward server connection. If the connection is active, you'll see it marked as active. If it says configured but inactive, it likely means no logs have been sent yet. Just give it a few seconds after adding monitors. Don't forget to make sure your Splunk Indexer is ready to receive the data. In the Splunk web user interface, go to Settings, then Forwarding and Receiving, and enable receiving on port 9998. This opens the door for your forwarders to send in data. And that's it! Your Ubuntu or Linux machine is now actively sending logs to your Splunk Indexer. You can now go into the search app on your Splunk instance and start analyzing those logs in real time. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Splunk tutorials. Thanks for watching!